Module 4, Lesson 5, Wizard Step 5, Review, 3 minutes. The wizard has 4 configuration steps plus this review. Review exists for one reason: catch mistakes before they ship, subject line typo, wrong audience, off-brand voice. The review step is your last cheap chance to fix any of those. The review page shows the full campaign on one screen: name, channel, audience name and current size, content piece with subject and pre-header preview, schedule with the exact send time and time zone, send time optimization status. Each section has an edit link that jumps back to the relevant wizard step. Click any edit to fix something. The wizard takes you back to that step, holds your edits when you return, and brings you back here for one more review. Below the summary, a preview button. Click it. The actual email renders, exactly as a subscriber will see it. Subject line at the top, pre-header, body with merge fields populated with sample data. Read it. Out loud if you can. Does the subject make sense? Does the body flow? Are there typos? Are merge fields actually pulling? This is the single highest value review action. Most campaign mistakes are caught here. Right next to preview, the send test button. Click it. The form asks for an email address. Use yours. The system sends the actual email with placeholder data to the address you entered. Check your inbox. Open it in the same email client your subscribers use. Some templates render perfectly in preview but break in Gmail. Some look great in Gmail but break in Outlook. A 2-minute test catches a campaign that would otherwise look bad to thousands of subscribers. When you're satisfied, click Create Draft. The wizard saves the campaign as a draft and returns you to the campaign detail page. The campaign is in your queue. Critical detail: Create Draft does not send. It saves a campaign in the draft state. The actual send happens when you click Send on the detail page or when the scheduled time arrives. You can still edit a draft. You can still preview a draft. You can still send tests from a draft. The campaign is yours until you hit send. Next lesson, the moment you've been building toward. Click send, watch the live stats accumulate. See you in lesson 6.